Guys, here's what we did for SI Lab. First, we always look at our countdown because it should be some good news. We have 13 more days left until the end of the term or until spring break, and we have 84 more days left until the end of the year, and that's including weekends and days off. So you have even fewer school days than 84 until you are done with this crazy hectic school year. So today our SI Lab is really focused on why it's so hard to ask for help sometimes. And we did a brainstorm in our SI lab. We kind of compared them to the reasons from the article that I got from Michelle on Tuesday. So Michelle gave me a really good article, and I'm just going to summarize the reasons that this article went over why it's so hard to ask for help. So number one, sometimes we're too self-reliant. Like we just want to do it by ourselves, and we don't want to ask for help because we just want to get it done ourselves. Like that's just really important to you. Number two, you might feel like you're going to look stupid or weak if you ask for help or a question. Number three, maybe you're in a situation or a culture where it just doesn't feel safe to ask a question. Like if you ask a question, you might get made fun of or criticized, or if you were like at work, you might get fired. Number four, you assume no one can help you. And this is true both in school and outside of school. You feel like your teacher or your boss just won't understand the situation you're in or won't be able to do anything about your situation. Number five, we feel like we don't deserve to make a request for help. So, like, you kind of feel guilty. Maybe you missed work a few days and you feel like, well, I was gone, so I can't really ask for help. Or, like, you are falling behind in some assignments and you don't feel like you can ask your teacher for help because you're kind of behind already. Number six, not appear, or you don't want to appear to be selfish or like self-centered. So you feel like by asking for help, the person you're asking is going to be like, what a selfish person. Okay. And then we just kind of talked about which one resonates the most with you. So go ahead and just kind of review those 6 different reasons. Which one do you think is the most true for you? Reasons why you do not ask for help. And last thing that we did, we just made that one reason that resonated with us into a positive thing. So none of these things are necessarily bad things. You can definitely view them as a positive thing, kind of like the glass half empty, half full argument. So the one that resonated the most with me was that last one. I don't want to appear selfish when I ask for help. And that could definitely be spun into a positive thing for me and my personality because I am very aware and respectful of other people's feelings. So even though this might feel like a weakness, you can definitely still view it as a strength and just know that it's something that you might need to work on. Have a great weekend, guys.